Expand your G-force with a spin connector, spreader bar, and pulley kit if you want to boost your muscles with advanced bodyweight exercises. Progressive Plus. The double pulley system takes the suspension workout to a new level by adding more instability to all strength movements with a wider range of motion. Cali Mode. To stimulate your muscles even more, you can do full bodyweight exercises, but they are going to be harder than usual. Build the adequate strength and confidence to progress from basic pull-ups and dips to more advanced routines. The double pulley system adds an incredible smoothness to every pull and push movement. This extra instability needs to be compensated by an even more muscle engagement. Moving your body through space will trigger upper body and core strength. This training is perfect for climbers and pull-up lovers. You can play with such a variety of pull movements, making the training fresh, various, and very intense. Transform G-force in a flares machine, a training tool commonly used by breakers, trickers, gymnasts, and free runners to learn and train gymnastic flares. Flares are very complex movement involving technique, strength, momentum, and flexibility all together. With G-force flares machine, you have the opportunity to build specific strength and coordination while training the movement. The system is very intense on your muscles. You'll get sore in a few repetitions. This is real functional training for power moves.